What's going on, guys? So as you guys can see in here, it is pouring rain outside. It is freaking pouring down right now. But I really do not know what happened to the sound of the video that I was recording showing off the Shelby Gt350 mats. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the mats as well. So the mats are really nice. They're definitely high quality mats and got the Shelby Gt350 logo on there with the snake, which is pretty dope, especially the rear. When you put the rear in, the carpet basically takes up the whole rear and fits in all the corners and everything, and it looks really nice and the quality feels amazing. And then we have some more mats for the two fronts, the driver's side and the passenger side. It looks freaking amazing and clean. A nice black clean rug with the Shelby Gt350 logo in the front. And one thing I highly recommend you guys get when you get a new car or any used car or any clean car that has a nice interior, a clean interior, definitely get you some WeatherTech mats. It definitely makes your job a lot easier cleaning the carpet, cleaning the interior of the car. When it rains, snows, mud, everything stays inside of the WeatherTech mats. Highly recommend you get some WeatherTech mats. They're worth it in the long run, especially cleaning your interior, cleaning your car when that time comes. So I'm gonna post a link in the description of where you could get some WeatherTech mats for the Shelby Gt350 if you decide to get some. And I'm gonna post a link in the description to where you get the Shelby Gt350 mats as well. It looks like the company that makes the mats are called LloydMats.com, which is pretty dope. But we had ordered these mats from CJ Pony Parts, which highly recommend you guys. If you guys are on the East Coast, order stuff through CJ Pony Parts. You should get your stuff probably in 2 to 3 business days, which is pretty dope, which is really nice. So if you're on the East Coast, hit up CJ Pony Parts. It will show on the website if their stuff is on stock, and you can be able to order their stuff for your car, which is dope. So, but this is mainly for the Ford Shelby, the Fords, and etc., the Mustangs, etc., etc. But highly recommend that. As you guys can see, my dad putting in the driver's side mat, looking nice, clean, really looking really good. And then they just clip in with those two little clips right there, no problem. Driver's side, the passenger side, it just goes fit in there like a snug, fits in there perfectly. And then he just puts the WeatherTech mats over it. The two back mats, he puts those two back mats back in there, so it has some cushion back there. It's not just the carpet laying there. And then he puts the other two WeatherTech mats for the back there as well. So keep the car fresh, clean. If anyone needs to go back there in the back of the car, makes your job easy. Just dust off the WeatherTech mat, put it back in, easy peasy. So now, as the title says, I want to talk to you guys about this. So as the title says, are we going to be lowering the GT350? Are we going to put some coilovers on there? Are we going to drop some springs on there? Are we going to drop some bags on there? I know y'all want to see bags for the GT350. Some of you guys may know, some of you guys may not know, but I know you guys are wondering, what are we going to do to the Shelby GT350? But some of you guys probably already know, but yes, we are going to bag the GT350. Yes, we are going to bag the GT350. I know some of you guys on the channel or new subscribers are probably like, no, why would you ruin the car? Why would you bag the GT350? Blah, blah, blah. I will say, if you have not driven a car on bags, highly recommend you drive a car on bags, especially with the height sensors, the 3H height sensors. It's a night and day difference, and the car handles amazing with the height sensors. So highly recommend you guys. If you guys have not driven a car on bags, please don't bash bags. Try it for yourself and see a night and day difference. It's basically like a coilovers with just having the ability to air it up, down anytime you want and still have the amazing handling. Also, if you do not know about the Ford Shelby GT350, the 2017s and any later models, they come with a suspension called MagnaRide. So we have, the car comes automatically as a standard with MagnaRide, and it comes an automatic standard with the track pack. So that car has the track pack on there with the Vacaros, the MagnaRide on there. So MagneRide is kind of like air suspension with the management. It has like a computer where it you could put the MagneRide in normal or you could put it in sport, and it'll basically stiffen up the wheel. And definitely it also has height sensors on the body of the car, and it'll basically help um help with the body roll and different stuff like that, which is pretty dope. But the only thing is, you do not have that adjustability. You really don't have that adjustability. But the thing is, with the Shelby Gt350, where some of you guys may not know, is come stock, it actually has a nice ride height, because anything lower above the tires on the Shelby Gt350, you're pretty low to the ground with that front lip, honestly. So that's why we're definitely gonna go with bags. We already have bags for the car, which is amazing. So it's basically figuring out what setup we want to do for the trunk, which we have an idea. It's just proceeding it and making it happen. But yes, guys, we will be bagging the Shelby GT350. I know you guys are gonna probably be like, "Oh, we ruined the car," but we're gonna show you the difference between MagneRide, and we're gonna show you the difference between with bags, and see a night and day difference between the MagneRide and the bags for the Shelby GT350, and share that experience with you guys, so you guys can also get an opinion for yourself. That's it for the video, guys. If there's anything that you want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step forward toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.
Shelby